Right, right. So just a little background. So folks, in case you were not aware, there is viral video footage of a road rage incident that took place in Jamaica where a man is seen assaulting a nurse who's in uniform. And during the assault, he brandishes a weapon, a firearm. I only saw the initial clip that I saw actually, believe it or not, made her seem to be the aggressor at the time. And it looked like he was fighting her off. And then I only saw the follow-up. They gave a very different angle and much more detail of what was going on. And definitely these instances of violence, especially in public, against women and children, it's just too many is happening too flagrantly. I don't know what's happening with the fellows. At no
Values
point.
have just gone. I mean, it's evident that he has no values or no morals. Everybody has a mother.